All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 high top, long wheelbase, beautiful white with black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got your power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front bumper, your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread here is just over 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Yeah, just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn good in its entirety. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's rim, steel wheel and whatnot. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This molding here does have some scuffing. All right. Other than that, we look pretty good. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. This is, of course, what you got some cup holders down here. Super nice. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Very nice. Does have a tire pressure light on. There's your mileage of 30,995. Looks good. Keep it moving. Coming around, showed you that. We do have some scuffing here on this back molding piece. Here we do have a dent on the rear bumper, and some more scuffing here on this corner here. All right, got some chips here. All right. Other than that, everything else looks pretty darn good. This is what your cargo area looks like. Boom. Pretty big and spacious. As you can see, the lights do lack. That's one of the faults of this truck, I can see. Wheel well molding look pretty good. Does have a dent over there, as you can see it right there. And here we got a couple of dent right there. Other than that, we look pretty good. This door's molding does have some crack right there. And another one right there. You can replace that, or you can just take it off and not have it on. Doesn't matter. All right. Look pretty good. This door does have a crack in here, and some here on the molding as well. Other than that, we look pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. It's pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. I'd say just over 730 seconds. All right, we do have a dent here. Some paint off, about 6 inches from there to there. Let's check out this roof. And your roof looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here, as you can see it. Boom. Other than that, there's no cracking into there's some scuffings here, but I don't see any dents per se. The only dents I really see are right here. All right. Lights are working though, so that's great. On this door, we do have a dent here with some paint on, about 3 to 4 inches. Put that in. What this side cargo area looks like, very nice. Very nice. It looks good. All right, this door looks okay. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks okay. Front passenger steel wheel. Tire thread here, over 730 seconds. Does have a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches right there. Other than that, we look pretty darn good. Lights are working all around. Truck is beautiful, folks. Once again, this is, see if my camera focuses. Once again, folks, this is a beautiful 2017 full Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 30,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.